Hey Smashers, welcome to the inside of the car. I'm currently sat waiting to pick Joe up from a football match, and while I'm sitting here waiting for him, I thought I could show you something really useful, like how to get rid of those related videos in YouTube when you embed a video into your website. When you've worked really hard to get people onto your website to consume your content, you don't want to be sending them off as soon as they've got there, right? You want to keep them in your zone rather than sending them outside to other places. So when you've embedded that video onto your web page and the end of it then shows up somebody else's stuff, you really don't want that happening. So let me show you how you can make sure that those related videos at the end of your video are yours and not somebody else's. So here's what it looks like if you're going to embed your video into your web page, and what happens when the video comes to the end. Even though this is kind of playing within your website, but it's showing your YouTube, what's going to happen is you're going to get kind of what's next videos appear at the very end. And as you can see here, these are people who are nothing to do with me, and it could then distract my viewer. It has got some of mine in here, which is great. But what could happen is that people end up going outside of my website because they've now been distracted, and we want to keep people in our website. So to stop this from happening and you want to keep people in your zone, there's a little bit of code that we need to add in to the embed code. So I'll show you how to do that now. So to grab your embed code, if you don't already know how to do this, is head over to your video. I'm in the YouTube studio at the moment, and I'm going to click on this particular video as if it's going to play. I'm going to press pause so you don't have to listen to me. And then we have our share options underneath the video here. Now you can, let's put back a minute. You can get the share link from here by just clicking on the three dots here to get the shareable link. But we want the embed code. So if we actually go to the video and click on share, it's going to give us the link again, and we can obviously whiz it into other apps and things, but we also get the embed code here with these little arrows. So if we click on this, I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to head over to my page. Now I use Elementor on my site, and the code is actually already in here because this is a piece of this is a blog post that's already gone out. Okay, so it's an HTML code block on the page, so that allows me to just paste the code in here. Now I've put an extra little bit, which is this the open brackets, center, close brackets, and again at the very bottom, open brackets / center, so this bit here, and that's centering the video in that block. Okay, so that will always make sure it's centered on the page. Now imagine I've just pasted this in, so that's the code section that I've just copied from YouTube. This is the YouTube video here. This is the code for the video, and if you look on the share options, you'll see that that's part of this little share code here. So the 3cat 2LHIOX8. If we quickly look at Elementor, you'll see here that that's the back end here. Look, so it's the YouTube link, but between the YouTube / and the code for that particular video, it's / embed / then the code for the video. So just before this little speech marks here, I want you to pop your cursor in there, and then you need to type $REL = 0. So that's for the related videos. And if you click update or whatever it is you do on your website, then we'll go and have a look again at the front end. So if we refresh this page, Give it a play, but pause it and drag it all the way along to the very end almost, and click play, let it run. So now you'll only get videos that relate to you showing up in the related videos feed at the end of your videos. That's how you do it. Any questions? Give me a shout. As usual, come and join us over in my Facebook group if you want to ask some questions or get some help in growing your online business and ensuring that you can work less and live more. See you there.